So nagtutuloy pa rin naman yung work namin with yung committees and with even other committees and other communities para masigurado na holistic yung approach ng city government of Vigan in terms of serving the people. As a lot of people know, Vigan won most child-friendly component city in the Philippines for the third time and Hall of Favor na siya. Meaning, hindi na kami makakompete. But it doesn't mean na mag-stop yung projects for children. Actually, why the city won, is not just because projects for the children, pero yun for their families, making sure that they have livelihood, making sure that their parents can sustain yung lives nila, and then in terms of yung government din na nabibigay yung basic services nila. So yun, a few weeks ago, we did the project also na nag-roadshow kami na pinunta namin yung elementary schools and introduce to them yung rights of the child. So we want to work further with that, na yung information campaign for children. Kasi as a city, we're meeting their rights, we're giving them their rights, pero we want them to be aware. Para alam din nila kasi, I mean, hindi naman kami bata.
Yes.
Diba? So, kailangan namin mapaalam sa kanila kung ano yung rights nila para masabi nila sa amin kung ano yung kulang or sobra. Tapos, we'll still continue with yung Heritage Conservation Youth Council. We have we're trying to work with a schedule for another Heritage Youth Assembly. This time, kasi dati parang introduction. Now naman gusto namin yun mas deeper na kasi we did colleges,
yes,
per course. So, for architecture, HRMA. So, yun din. And we're still accepting new members. If they still want to join, if anybody wants to join, they can approach us or the Sports and Youth Development Coordinator, si Stella Quinto. And then, or yung officers, we have officers also.
Yeah, ito, SPM, ito lang, mga nakaraang araw, nakaraang linggo, yung nangyari sa Cagayan de Oro, sa Iligan Province, at saka sa Negros Oriental. Yung naapektuhan talaga ng todo-todo doon sa bagyong Sendong. On your part as a politician, hindi kaya as a servant, public servant dito sa Vigan or sa Sangguniang mismo, paano ka pa makakatulong na tipong awareness, para sa awareness na tipong huwag tayo magpabaya na sana naman huwag mangyari ito? What if kung mangyari sa atin ito? Are we prepared for this kind of mga sakuna?
Yung nakagandahan na yung working with a team na works hard talaga for the people. So I'm very proud to say that Vigan is ready to its best capacity. Ready ang Vigan. I mean, during the past typhoon warnings, typhoon na muntik nang tumama sa Vigan or tumama man sa Vigan, nakita naman ng mga tao na we were ready. Even when we were younger, alam mo, pupunta kaming lahat as a family, we'll go to the city government at to the city hall para tumulong sa packing, mag-release ng relief goods. Tapos nakita naman na all the equipment are ready. Pag warning pa lang, nandun na sa harap ng city yung mga boats, yung mga truck in preparation for what may come. And additional to that, this year we released yung disaster preparedness kit along with the addition of a new department, which is the disaster risk reduction and preparedness office and council. So part ng project nito ay yung pagbigay nga ng kit sa every household. So every household has one kit which includes items kung meron nangyari, kunwari hydration tablets, lubid kung kailangan, whistle if you need help, meron whistle kung kagaya nangyari na hindi mahanap yung mga taong nalulunod or na kailangan ma-save, may whistle.
Rescue,
and more importantly, meron siyang book, and of course we are hoping that the families that were given the kit would still read the book. Pero before man binigay namin, the council came headed by Mr. Glenn Concepcion, pumunta talaga sila sa mga barangay, sa mga community to teach them the importance ng preparedness and teach them, more importantly, paano gamitin. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng bigay mo lang tapos na.
Iwan mo lang.
Pero important pa rin na they still read on it a few times and teach their children. Importantly, children, di ba, nakita na sa sendong, ang dami mga bata na
halos
na wala dahil doon. So, yun, I think disaster preparedness is always a community effort. So, structure-wise, ready ang city, and then we invite our constituents to work hand in hand.
Yes, dapat lang, wag lang talaga sila masyadong wala din nilang baliwalain. Try to, like for example, yung mga binibigay natin, yung mga awareness na yan, i-review rin nila from time to time.
Actually, bago pa lang yung disaster preparedness natin, di ba? Actually, Senator Lauren, when we visited her a few months ago, may binigay siya na book na pinublish ng office niya regarding disaster preparedness. Wow. And nakasulat talaga doon sa acknowledgement is the City of Vigan because it was a basis for the book. Yun
pattern? Oo, parang ganun, pattern
and
dito.
including din yung law na I'm not sure if she passed it already, but she was trying to pass a disaster preparedness law. So, partly also, naging basis din yung ginagawa ng Vigan.
Yeah. Okay, Ma'am Janina, we're really running out of time. This time, bigyan kita ng chance mo, yung message mo sa lahat ng mga constituents mo, sa mga Viganios, at syempre, New Year's wish mo na rin, or message para sa kanila.
Sa lahat ng nanonood na Vigenio, at sa lahat ng nanonood ng Let's Talk, naragsak nga Paskwa, kin nagasat nga barong nga tawin, kinyayo amin, and always be assured that the city government of Vigan, especially as your humble servants, will do our best to give you the best of what we can offer, especially as a legislator. We will try our best to make the ordinances that will help and address all your issues. And if there are any things or any suggestions you may want to offer to our kind office, pwede kayong pumunta sa City Government of Vigan sa Sangguniang Panlungsod. We are very welcome to your ideas and your suggestions, and we look forward to working hand in hand with all of you. And my New Year's wish for our city is that we will work as a community to offer the best for all our constituents, for all the people around us. So, especially for our dearest children. And, yun na nga, naragsak nga Paskwa, kin nagas ka barong nga tawin maning kinyay. I mean, from our family, from my family, from me and my husband, Carlos, and from, of course, I'm sure my mom would like to also give her warmest greetings to all of you from Mayor Eva and former Mayor Fariñas Medina and our siblings. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Honorable Janina, Carine, Medina, Fariñas, and that's for you from Court TV. Thank you so much for the guesting, and a simple token from the Court TV as well. And just like what you said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Good luck to you, and of course, sa marriage life mo, alam ko, excited at in love ka pa rin, kinikilig ka pa rin, enjoy pa rin mo yan. At syempre, best wishes sa kay na mami mo, kay daddy mo, and the whole family.
Saka thank you rin sa opportunity to introduce myself to the community.
Yan po mga kaibigan, Honorable Janina Carine Medina Fariñas. Isang, nakita ninyo, batang-bata pa. But now, grabe, noon pa lang nalaman kagad natin, maliit pa lang sila, she's already into public service. Kumbaga, madaling lapitan. Sabi nga nila, suplada daw yan, pero hindi. Tingnan nyo, nakasmile parati yan di ba? Easy to approach. Kaya, just like what she said, kung ano man ang mga concerns ninyo, lalo-lalo na sa kanyang mga constituents, lalo-lalo na sa mga taga-vegan, don't hesitate to approach them. Lalo-lalo na pag problema natin medyo hindi na natin makayanan, lalo mga, sa kanyang bagong hawak na committee, kung ano pa dapat malaman natin dun is just magtanong tayo. Huwag ko tayong mahiya magtanong sa kanila. Nandyan sila para magbigay ng kanilang serbisyo. Sabi nga ni Pinoy ang boss nila ay ang mga tao. Kagaya rin dito sa Let's Talk, kami po ay nagpapasalamat. At sana po ang 2012 po ay magbibigay sa atin din ng magandang taon. Masagana, blessed, peaceful para sa ating lahat. At syempre sa inyong lahat ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Ilocos, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin ng 2011 na isang maganda. Sana po sa susunod na taon, ang 2012 ay mas lalo pang gumanda. Thank you muna sa King Harry's Furniture. Maraming salamat din sa Veracruz Skin Facial and Body Care Center. Maraming salamat sa Hervey Salon. Maraming salamat sa Absolute. At syempre, sa staff and crew ng Let's Talk. Kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko uli. At syempre, manigong bagong taon. Thank you. See you again next week. Ito po ang talk show that talks about controversies, issues, and lifestyle. Ako po si Derek. God bless everyone. Let's Talk. Magbabalik pa yan next week. Thank you so much, Ma'am Janina. Thank you. Good luck again.